What's up, y'all? So here is the first way you can install beads with just a simple hair tie. I think I got this from like the Dollar Tree or somewhere. It came with a pack of 20, so you can get these really cheap. And this is a really easy method. You just add 2 to 3 beads onto your ponytail holder. I wouldn't add more than that because, well, unless you're using a really thin ponytail holder. I'm using a kind of a thick one, so I'm only putting 2 to 3 on here. And you're gonna make a loop as you're putting those beads on, so there's gonna be a loop at the top like so. There we go. And you're gonna stick the tail end of the braid through that loop, and you're just gonna push the braids right on, not the braids, the beads right onto that braid. Easy peasy, very easy. So the next way to install beads is using a crochet hook, and I have used this to load beads. The only con to using this is you can only add 5 beads at a time. So if you have someone with really long hair, this is going to get frustrating. So anyway, you load your beads onto the crochet hook like so. And if you leave it open, you can only add 5, but if you go ahead and close the hook, 4, but if you go ahead and close the hook, you can add a 5th one on there. So that's usually what I do if I'm using this for Journey's hair. I usually do this with Maya's hair because her hair is, smaller, less dense. Anyway, you close the hook and you just push the beads right onto the braid. Very easy. So the third way to install beads, which is actually my favorite for Journey's hair because her hair is kind of long, and I can add 10-15 beads at a time. I don't usually do that, but if you have someone with really long hair, this is going to be the best tool to use, in my opinion. So all you do is you load your desired number of beads onto the beater like so. I think I'm going to add 6. That's the most I ever do for Journey because she's still small, and the more beads you have, the more weight is on their head, and I'm always afraid I'm gonna weigh her head down. I don't know if that's a thing or not, but in the back of my mind, I'm like, if I put too many beads, I'm like strain her neck or something. Anyway, so once you've loaded your desired amount of beads, you stick the tail end of the braid through the hole, and again, you push the beads right on. So a little tip is always be toward the end of the braid, because if you do it toward the middle, it's going to be hard to get that the hair through there. Oh, and how I attach the beads, you just pull the tail end around that bottom bead and secure it with the rubber band. And a final way to add beads is with the bobby pin. So if you don't feel like going to the beauty supply, or the beauty supply is closed, you can't find your beader, don't have a hair tie, I'm pretty sure you can find a bobby pin at the bottom of your purse or under the sink or something. All you do is stick that bobby pin on the tail end of your child's hair or the braid, and you load the beads onto the bobby pin from the bottom. I know it's hard to see, my hand is in the way, but I put the beads on the bottom. So the hair is in the loop. You put the beads through the bottom of the bobby pin and you pull the hair right through. I hope y'all saw that. So yes, these are the 4 ways to install beads. And if you want more, you might have to do it a couple times. This is not my favorite method, but say I'm out of town and, she has a beaded style and the beads come off and I didn't bring my beader, I didn't bring a crochet hook. This is an alternative. This is for like those emergency situations. You're out of town or don't have access to a beauty supply or whatever. And you can almost do this with anything. Anyway. Yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. I always get questions about how to install beads, so I hope this is helpful. And thank you so much for watching my channel and my videos and for your comments. I love you guys. Until next time, peace.